everyone. We're going to find the limit as x approaches 0 of this given here. What we're going to do is use the approach of the fact that we know that the limit as theta approaches 0 of sine of theta divided by theta equals 1, and the same goes for tan. So if we know this, let's rewrite this and split it up a little bit. So it's going to be the limit as x approaches 0, and if you can't see this, underneath this is all x squares. So I'm just going to split this up and write this as sine of x divided by x times tan of x divided by x. Then we have plus, so it's the same thing I have here, it's just I'm splitting up the x into x times x. All right, the next one is 2x, so we have sine of 2x divided by x times tan of 2x divided by x. Then we have plus plus and sine of 10x divided by x times tan of 10x divided by x. Divided by x. So basically when you take the limit of this first part, this is just going to be 1 times 1. All right. This second part, the problem is these two need to match. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put a 2 here and a 2 here to make it match. Now that's in the denominator. So since I'm multiplying it by 2 times 2, I also need to multiply my numerator by 2 times 2, or I can just write 2 squared. And then you keep going on until you get to the last one, and we want to put a 10 here and a 10 here. That's 10 times 10, so I have to also multiply my numerator by 10 squared. So if you have, basically what's going to happen is this here, this here, this here, and this here. These all equal 1 now, since these match up. So these are all 1s. And we're left with 1. And I can go ahead and put 1 squared here just to make it look better. Plus, then you'd have 2 squared. The next one would be 3 squared. And we have 10 terms here. So you go all the way down to 10 squared. All right. And this is equal to the sum from k equals 1 to 10 of k squared. Now this sum can be written as, and I'll do it on the next slide, the sum from k equals 1 to 10 of k squared. The formula for that is going to be 1/6 k times k plus 1 times 2k plus 1. So that's what these equal. Now we have 10. So we're going to use the last one. This is going to be 1/6, and we're going to go just the 10. So 10 times 11 times 2 times 10, that's going to be 21. And so when you add all this up or multiply it through, you're going to get 385. And that's your final answer. Or if you wanted to, you could have just written it out and just multiplied all these out if you wanted to. All the way 4 squared, all the way to 10 squared. And you would still have gotten 385. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.